Hey there, JDM crew. Hope you're having a good new year, and welcome to another delivery video. We've got this Mazda Familia rallied out, and it's actually stripped mostly on the interior. It just has the seats and all that. But yeah, this one I'm bringing to the shipping yard right now, so gonna be sending it to a good old rally fan overseas. So let's bring her on home. Well, there you have it, crew. Brought her to the yard. They've shipped out a lot of other ones, but yeah, this one's heading on home. So yeah, if you're interested in this or any other vehicles, make sure to contact us, info@jdm-expo.com. Just drop us an email or check out our other inventory videos. We've had other Familias just like this one. So if you guys like Nissan Pulsars or these Mazda Familias, they're a lot of fun. So yeah, well, you gotta get going. Make sure to check out those other ones, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bon voyage!